Well, hello there. Happy Wednesday, first graders. So today we're going to continue our work with counting on to subtract. So for the past few days, we've been learning about that, and we're going to continue learning about it today. Here we go. So counting on to subtract. So here we go for start. We're going to start off easy, and we're just going to count on. So what's 1 more than 6? Well, I know if I count in my head after 5, 6, 7 is 1 more than 6. What's 1 more than 7? 8 is 1 more than 7. What's 1 more than 8? 9. And then the last number, 1 more than 9, is 10. Starting with 3, what's 1 more than 3? We know that answer. It's 4. 1 more than 4 is 5. 1 more than 5 is 6. And then from above, we know that 1 more than 6 is 7. 1 more than 7 is 8. And 1 more than 8 is 9. And lastly, 1 more than 9 is 10. All right, we got a problem to try here. It says there are 7 bikes. 4 are red. The rest are black. How many are black? How can you find out? Well, let's look at the problem. It says, what is the problem about? Well, according to the problem, we know that there are a total of 7 bikes. We know that how many are red? 4 are red. How many are black? The rest are black. But we don't know how many are black, so we need to figure out the answer to our problem. How many are black? And how can we find out? So those are the 2 questions we need to answer, and here's the important information that we know. There's 7 bikes, 4 are red. So there's 7 bikes and 4 are red. We need to figure out, are we going to have an addition sign here or a subtraction sign to find out how many are black? Let's see what the next slide has. We need to have, it's a subtraction problem, so we need to find out 7 take away 4. Use a number path to count on, it says. Start at 4, count on to 7. Notice how they're starting at the lowest number here, and they're counting on or stopping at 7. So they started at 4, and they're going to count on to 7. 5, 6, 7. How many jumps did they make? 1, 2, 3, and they stopped at 7. So they had 3 jumps. So 4 plus 3 equals 7, which means 7 take away 4 is 3. So how many of the bikes are black? There are 3 black bikes because 4 of them were red. And there was 7 bikes in all, so 4 red and 3 black. Find 7 take away 5. Well, we know we need to start at 5 and we need to stop at 7. So here we're starting at 5. Let's stop at 7. Count on with me. 6, 7. How many jumps did I make? 1, 2. Oh, so start at 5 and we counted on to 7. And then we had 2 jumps, which means 5 plus 2 equals 7. Well, 7 take away 5 would bring us to 2. And if you want to double check your answer, you could take another marker and also jump backwards 5. So we know that 5 plus 2 equals 7, so that would leave us with 2. But if you want to double check your work, let's try it this way and count back 5. So 7, so we have 1 jump, 2 jump, 3, 4, 5. Did it bring us to 2? It did bring us to 2. So that's how you could check your work if you're unsure. 9 take away 5. Well, I want to know in this problem, 5 plus what would equal 9? Well, we start at our lower number and we stop at 9. So here we're starting at 5. Let's count on to 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. How many jumps did I make? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. So that means 5 plus 4 equals 9. 9 take away 5 would also equal 4. And that is the end of our slideshow. So now it's your turn to practice. So in your red folder, you'll find an iReady paper, and your parents can check the website to figure out what page you should be working on for today's lesson. And now it's your turn to practice. So if you have any questions or your parent has any questions, you can let them know. They can call me, they can text me, or they can email me. I'm always ready to help. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and Miss Hughes misses you very, very much. I can't wait until school starts back up so I can see you guys again. I hope you have a great Wednesday, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.